Welcome to English Listening Channel.
Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. When you take a taxi abroad, what do you do if the driver asks for too much money? If you don't know what to say, you can't stop him. But don't worry, in this video, let's learn safe and easy English you can use in a taxi. And before we start, I have a small question for you. Please listen carefully to find the answer. This will help you improve your English listening skills. So here is today's question. Why does Ellie want to use the official taxi stand? The answer is mentioned in the conversation. If you find it, please write your answer in English in the comments. All right, are you ready? Let's start the story.
Wow, Ellie, we're finally here.
Yes, we are. How do you feel?
I'm excited, but also a little nervous.
That's normal. It's your first time in this country.
Yes, everything is so different.
Don't worry, I'm here with you.
Thank you. That makes me feel better.
Now, let's find a taxi to the hotel.
Okay, where do we go? Ellie, look, that man is calling us.
I see him, but wait, Ken.
He says he can take us to the hotel. Should we go with him?
I'm not sure. Where is he standing?
He's standing near the door, not at the taxi line.
I see. Ken, let's use the official taxi stand.
Official taxi stand? Where is that?
Look over there. See the sign? It says taxi.
Oh, I see it. But there's a line. Many people are waiting.
Yes, but it's safer. The official taxis are more safe.
More safe? Why?
Official taxis have rules. They use meters. They follow the law.
I understand. What about that man near the door?
He might be okay, but we don't know. Some drivers are not official.
Not official? That sounds dangerous.
It can be. Sometimes they charge too much money.
Oh no, I don't want that.
So let's wait in line. It's better.
Okay, you're right. Safety first.
Exactly. Safety first.
How long will we wait?
Maybe 10 minutes. Not too long.
That's okay. I can wait.
Good. And look, the line is moving fast.
You're right. Oh, it's almost our turn.
Hello? Where to?
We want to go to Grand Palace Hotel.
What? Grand what?
Grand Palace Hotel.
I don't understand. Say again?
Oh no, he doesn't understand me. Ellie, what should I do?
Don't worry, Ken. Your English is fine.
But he doesn't understand.
That's okay. You don't need perfect pronunciation.
Really?
Really. Just show him your phone.
Show my phone.
Yes. Open your hotel booking. Show him the name and address.
Oh, that's a good idea.
Words are sometimes difficult, but pictures and text are easy.
You're so smart. Okay, let me try. Excuse me. Look at this, please. Ah, I see. Grand Palace Hotel. No problem. It worked.
See? Easy, right?
Yes, I was so worried.
Always keep your hotel information on your phone.
I will. This is very useful.
Also, you can take a hotel card from the front desk.
Hotel card?
Yes, a small card with the hotel name and address.
Oh, like a business card?
Exactly. You can show that to taxi drivers.
That's so helpful. I'll get one tomorrow. Ellie,
I have a question.
What is it?
The meter. Is it on?
The meter? Let me look.
I don't see any numbers.
You're right. It's not running.
Should we say something?
Yes, we should. It's important to ask now.
But I'm nervous.
I know, but if we don't ask, there might be a problem later.
You're right, but what should I say?
Just ask about the meter. Be polite.
Okay, I'll try. Excuse me, driver. The meter. Is it working?
Oh, sorry, I forgot. I'll turn it on now.
Thank you.
Good job, Ken.
That was scary. But he turned it on.
Yes, most drivers just forget. It's not always bad.
Really?
Really, but sometimes some drivers don't want to use it
Why not?
because they want to charge more later.
That's not fair.
No, it's not. That's why we always check the meter.
What if the driver says the meter is broken?
Then be careful. Sometimes it's true, but sometimes it's not.
So what should we do?
Ask the price before you start. Agree on a price first.
I see. That makes sense.
In some countries, taxis don't use meters at all.
Really? Then how do they charge?
They agree on a price first, before the ride.
Oh, I didn't know that.
Every country is different. That's why it's good to research before you travel.
Now, Ellie and Ken finally managed to get into a taxi. But their problems are not over yet. More trouble is waiting for them from here. Please keep watching until the end and learn how to handle these situations calmly in English. And by the way, how are you finding this video so far? If you feel this video is helpful for your English learning, I'd really appreciate it if you joined the channel membership. All right, let's continue the story.
Ellie, how far is the hotel?
The driver said it's close, about 15 minutes.
15 minutes? But we've been driving for 20 minutes already.
Really? Has it been that long?
I think so. Are we going the right way?
Let me check. I'll look at the map on my phone.
Is he taking us the long way?
I'm not sure yet. Let me see.
I'm worried. The meter keeps going up.
I understand, but don't worry too much yet.
Why not?
Sometimes there's traffic. Sometimes the driver takes a different road.
A different road?
Yes, maybe the main road is busy, so he takes another way.
Oh, I see. That makes sense.
Also, sometimes drivers don't know the exact way.
They don't know?
Right, not all drivers know every street.
Really? But they're taxi drivers.
True, but cities are big, and some drivers are new.
That's true. So what should we do?
Let's check the map together. We can see if we're close.
Okay.
Look, Ken, we're here on the map, and the hotel is right there.
Oh, it's very close.
See? Just 2 more minutes.
I was so worried.
It's okay to check, but try not to assume the worst.
You're right. I should stay calm.
Exactly. If you're really worried, you can always ask the driver.
Ask the driver?
Yes, just ask, how much longer? Or, are we close?
That's simple. I can do that.
Exactly. Communication is important. Don't be afraid to ask.
We're here. Grand Palace Hotel.
Thank you. How much is it?
It's $45.
$45? Ellie, is that normal?
Let me think. From the airport?
Yes, from the airport. That seems really expensive.
Airport taxis are usually more expensive.
Really? Why?
They have special fees. Airport fees, maybe.
I didn't know that.
Also, did we use a highway?
I think so. We went on a big road.
Highway tolls can be expensive.
So the toll is included in the fare?
Usually, yes. The driver pays first, then adds it to your fare.
I see. That makes more sense now.
Also, prices for tourists can be different.
Different? Higher?
Sometimes. Not always, but sometimes.
That doesn't seem fair.
I agree, but it happens. That's why checking the meter helps.
The meter showed $45.
Then that's the price. It's probably correct.
But it's still expensive.
Yes, but that's normal from the airport. Next time, we can try other options.
Other options? Like what?
Shuttle buses, or trains, or ride-sharing apps.
Those are cheaper?
Usually, yes, but taxis are more convenient.
I see. It's a trade-off.
Exactly. Convenience costs more.
Here's $50. Oh, I only take cash. Yes, this is cash. $50. I need exact change. I don't have change. What? No change, but I only have 50.
Ken, don't worry. Let me help.
Ellie, he says he doesn't have change.
I heard. This happens sometimes.
It does?
Yes, many drivers don't carry much change.
That's frustrating.
I know, but let's solve it. Do you have any smaller bills?
Let me check. I have only this 50.
Okay, I have some smaller bills. Let me pay.
Are you sure?
Yes, it's fine. You can pay me back later.
Thank you so much. That was stressful.
I understand, but now you know for next time.
Know what?
Always carry small bills. 1s, 5s, 10s, 20s.
Why?
Big bills are hard to use. Many places can't give change.
Even taxis?
Especially taxis, and small shops and street vendors.
I didn't think about that.
It's okay. You're learning. When you get cash, ask for small bills.
At the ATM?
Not just ATMs, also at hotels, restaurants, anywhere you pay.
I should break big bills when I can.
Exactly. It makes everything easier.
What about credit cards? The driver said he only takes cash.
Many taxis only take cash, especially in some countries.
So I always need cash?
For taxis, yes, usually. Some cities have taxis with card machines, but not all.
This is complicated.
A little, but you'll get used to it.
I'm so glad that's over.
How do you feel?
Honestly, I was really scared.
Scared of what?
Everything. Not being understood, being cheated, paying too much.
Those are normal worries.
Really?
Really, everyone feels that way at first.
But we made it. We got here safely.
Exactly, and that's a success.
A success? But I was so nervous.
Being nervous is okay. The important thing is you did it.
I guess you're right.
And now you know more for next time.
Like what?
You know to use the official taxi stand.
Right.
You know to show your phone with the address.
That helped a lot.
You know to check the meter.
And to carry small bills.
Exactly. See, you learned so much.
I did, but I'm still worried about next time.
That's okay. But remember, you have choices.
Choices?
Yes, if you don't feel safe, you don't have to take that taxi.
I can say no?
Of course, you can always say no.
But what if I already got in?
You can ask to get out. Just be polite.
Really? Is that okay?
If you feel unsafe, yes, your safety is most important.
I never thought of that.
Also, research before you go.
Research what?
Normal taxi prices, taxi colors, how taxis work in that country.
That sounds smart.
It is. Knowledge makes you feel safer.
You're right. I should research more.
But don't worry too much. Most experiences are good.
Really?
Really, most drivers are honest. Most rides are safe.
That makes me feel better.
Good. And remember, you did great today.
Thank you, Ellie. I couldn't have done it without you.
You're welcome. But next time, you can do it alone.
You think so?
I know so. You're braver than you think.
Maybe you're right.
I am right. Now, let's go check in.
Yes, let's go. And thank you again.
Anytime, Ken. That's what friends are for.
How was it? I hope you enjoyed the story and learned some useful English. Now, let me ask today's question one more time. Why does Ellie want to use the official taxi stand? The answer was in the conversation. Did you catch it? If you did, please write your answer in the comments. Writing in English, even short sentences, is a great way to improve your English skills. On this channel, I share short stories in slow and easy English to help you practice listening and speaking. If you enjoyed this video, please like the video and subscribe to the channel. And before we finish, just one more small thing. I also have a membership. If you feel this video was helpful or valuable, I'd be very happy if you joined the membership as well. You can join by clicking the membership button next to the subscribe button below this video. Thank you so much for your support. All right, that's all for today. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!